Okay, now we're testing out the strength of the enclosure. It's a standard VT/VX driver's side. Guess many of you will be buying this after seeing this. But I've just had a trial run and it don't break. So there you go. Toyota Camry, with full audio gear loaded in there. Nice car. There's nothing in the sub box, I can assure you. Anyway, here we go. Alright. There are obviously nothing on the rest of the wheels as well. No jack stands, no nothing. Nice exhaust. Here we go, we're going to release the jack bit by bit. Here we go. And the jack has come to rest. I'm going to release the jack all the way. And the jack is off. So previously we had two guys stand on it. It's working fine. Now we have a car on it and it's working fine. No problems with it. So for you guys who thought that you need 10 layers of enclosures to jack up a car, that's not true. Alright, thank you very much from the team at Karatan. Come on, Imogen, come in. Sorry. Karatan. Thank you, and good luck. Don't try this at home.